Hello again. This time we're going to be doing Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. It was called the Kaleidoscope palette. It's a Friday when I'm taping, and I think we're going to have fun. So my eyelids may look a little bit different to you right now. I used the P. Louise eye base on this eye and the Anastasia Beverly Hills new eye base on this eye. So they are different primers. I wanted to see how they were going to look. So we're going to take that nice orange right there called Tahine and put it in the crease to blend out. I need to relax my hand. Relax my hand. Relax. I like that meme where it says, where in the history of relax has anyone ever relaxed? But by the way, if anyone loves this jewelry, this is my Betsey Johnson jewelry. I just love Betsey Johnson's over-the-top style and flair. So now let's blend it out. This is blending very nicely. Look at that, because I am not a delicate blender. I abuse my eyes with blending. But I think we're going to have to go back in and darken the orange because it's looking almost like a light pink instead of that brilliant fire orange. And I like fire orange. Alright, let's do the same on this side, but that's alright. I've got time, I've got patience. It's a Friday. Actually, I've been off all day. This is my treat to myself. And I just love doing makeup. Let's intensify it again. I used to get yelled at in school. I had a very severe speech impediment, and I had a lot of speech therapy. When I was out of elementary school, I decided I needed to work on it, but I didn't want to do any more speech therapy, so I did drama, and I was actually a thespian in drama. With drama, it forced me to speak in crowds, and even though I like talking to you, I don't like in crowds. Oh, that's right, that's where I was going with this. They always said, pick up your chin, because I was always looking down at the ground, down at the ground. Can any of you relate with me where you start with your chin up? So we're going to use dye in the crease to darken up the crease before we go in with the black. The purple has a little, it looks like it has a little shimmer in it, but I think the black will take care of that. So taking the purple and putting it in the crease. Yes. But this is from several years ago, and yes, you do need to cut the crease if you're going to use the shimmers. All right, there, brilliant. Well, blend again. See, that's the beauty of blending. Blend. There we go. Now we're going to take 13th floor. So, and we're going to put it in our crease to darken the crease even more. So I don't know why I look at the brush, because when you put black on your brush, you really can't tell how much black you have on your brush because, well, it's black. But I always look at my brush anyways. Why did I use the purple, you ask? Why do I use the purple? if the black covers up the purple. I use the purple because it gives the black a purplish hue, and then when I blend it out to smoke it out a little bit better, it has that purple hue on it. So I wasn't just wasting my time. Maybe I was, maybe I wasn't. I'm going to go back in with the purple and bring a little bit more of that purple up. I'm so glad John, my husband, is in love with me for some crazy reason. I have no clue, but he'll come home tonight and he'll say, I love what you did. And that just makes me feel great because, you know, I don't think I even love what I do every night or every day. But to have that kind of support is great. I didn't always have that support. I started off with a rough first marriage. And I thought, well, that's what I deserved. I wasn't even looking. In fact, after I got my divorce, I said, if I know the last name of the man I'm dating, I know too much. And then he came along. Because I like to loosen this up a little bit. Loosen under the eye a little bit. Just so that way it's not that stark. Look at that green. Ooh, green. We're going to take Spitfire, because what goes with orange, purple, green, pink. On the inner eye, we're going to go in with Brixton. So here we go, bright. Boom. Boom. Oh, I love that. That is a beautiful aquatic blue. Yeah, scuba diving, Sunblast Islands, definitely. And then we put it right there. Betsy Johnson came to Jacksonville a little while ago, and I was all set to meet her. But the same day that Betsy Johnson was coming to Jacksonville, my son had a Boy Scout camping trip. I had to go to that camping trip instead of meeting Betty Johnson. What do we do? Ooh, I like that navy blue. Look at that. That really picks up where the black leaves off. I am an indecisive sort of person. What do I mean by that? I love so many of the different colors in the palette. If I don't have more than a few colors to play with, I'm sad. So, even though I could have probably done a beautiful look with just a few with just a few colors, I wanted to use all the colors. Going back into Tahine Orange, we're gonna take that under the eye to try to bring it together. Let's see if it does, or, oh yeah. Nancy, you're smart. Thank you. I thought so too. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're gonna have to blend, but I love that on that outside. We're gonna take a little bit of Brixton on a small brush too, under Spitfire with Brixton. Oh, I love it up. So, you know how they say, oh, if you talk to your plants, they do better? Well, have you ever thought of talking to your eyeshadows? Because they have feelings too. Stay Gold is really pretty. Okay, for you guys trying to figure out how to tell your clients, it's chin up, eyelid down. Chin up, eyelid down. There we go. With the next brush, we're going to go in with green, Lime Time. And because I'm going to tour a farm tomorrow, I have never been on an industrial US farm. I got the invitation, I said, why not? Broaden my horizon. Let's try the other side of this brush. Bring back the gold. There we go. Bring back the gold. And on the outer, we're going to go for TRM because I like that blue. Toby. That blue has a little bit of fallout, but we can work with it. I did that without. Alright, so I'm going to be extra special using the Urban Decay. But I'm going to try with several different lipsticks.